Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you these really easy gel marble nails. And I also wanted to say a massive thank you to all my new subscribers. I'm nearly at 200, which is insane, so thank you so much. And I hope you enjoy this tutorial. So to start off, I'm going in with a black gel polish and I'm painting a thin layer over and I'm curing that for 60 seconds. Then I'm going in with a top coat, but make sure you don't cure, as we're going to go through with white gel polish and also with silver gel polish as well. So I'm going in with a striper brush and I'm pulling the white through the top coat in a sort of Y shape to create that cracked marble look. There really is no particular way of doing this, just have a play around and see which effect you like best. So next I'm going in with a sort of flat brush and I'm just dabbing out those edges. I haven't got anything on my brush at all, just going in with the brush itself, no product on it, and I'm just slowly tapping out the lines to blend them out so they're not as bold, as these are more of just a background. Then once I'm happy with that, I'm curing it for 60 seconds. So next is your more bolder lines to make the marble really stand out. So I'm going in with white again, but this time I'm doing exactly as I did before, doing the Y shapes, but I'm not going to blend them out. Then for a bit of sparkle, because you know me, got to have sparkle, I'm going along the edge of some of those white lines, the bolder white lines, with the silver just to make it stand out a bit and add a bit of pizzazz, because you always need sparkle, guys. Then to finish this first super easy marble design, you're just going in with your top coat and curing it for 60 seconds. And that is literally all you have to do. It's so easy. Hope you like this one. Next is a blue marble. I thought I'd show you a different sort of coloured one. So I'm going in with Abyss from Urban Graffiti. And again, just like the black, painting a thin layer of that and curing it for 60 seconds. Then for something a little bit different, we're going in with this foil. Again, this is from Urban Graffiti, and I'm just patting it on, just on the tacky layer, just a few bits, no particular order again, just sort of whack it on. Then I'm going in with this sparkly blue colour called Lotus from the gel bottle, and I'm just going in with a layer of that. You know, like I said before, I have to have sparkle, I need it. And I love this, it's so beautiful, and I thought it would go well with the blue as well. So I'm going in with some white on my palette, and then going back in with top coat. Oh, and I've again, like we did with the black, just to have something to pull the line through so they blend out a bit. So the same as before, I'm going in with a striper brush, creating a Y sort of shape, and just pulling out the lines basically. Then I'm going back in with that brush, which looks absolutely disgusting. I am so sorry. I don't know why I didn't look at that and think that needs cleaning. Honestly, like, I really need to do a massive clean and sort out, so that'll be coming soon because it's such a mess. Anyway, so I'm blending out those lines again, just like I did with the black, and then I'm curing it for 60 seconds. kind of added another layer of lotus because it wasn't enough sparkle for me. But this time I didn't top coat it as I needed another layer to pull out the other lines anyway, so I thought I just had a bit of sparkle. So I'm going in again, creating the Y shapes with the striper brush, but these ones were not blending out. I know this one's a bit different, but I thought you might like something a bit different because everybody always does rose quartz and stuff, so I thought maybe do a different colour and, you know, you might learn something new. Then when you're happy with your lines, you can cure that for 60 seconds and then finish off with your top coat, seal everything in and then cure that for 60 seconds as well. Final one, of course, is your classic marble, black and white marble. So I'm going in with white gel polish and curing that for 60 seconds. Going in with top coat, and remember, don't cure this yet as we are pulling through some black lines this time. Back in with my striper brush to create those Y sort of shapes. With the black, less is more because it blends out quite a lot, so you don't want to have too much black, otherwise it'll just become a massive mess and you won't see the marble effect. So I'm just doing a few lines, and then when I'm happy, I'm going in with my brush and blending. Again, this has no product on, it's just the brush itself, and it's just to push those the gel about a bit so it creates thicker marble lines. Then once I'm happy, I'm curing again for 60 seconds. And so what I'm doing first is I'm wiping off the tacky layer of the polish, and then I'm going in with some foil glue. Thought I'd mix this one up a bit, so I'm just dragging the lines through. As you can see, I'm not going to lie, I'm being really messy here. There's no particular way. I'm sorry it's hard to see, it's just because it's obviously a clear colour. So just wiggle your brush around and that'll do, and then cure it for 30 seconds. Then I'm going in with some rose gold foil because I love a bit of rose gold, and I'm just stamping that over. As you can see, it didn't really pick up that well. I think I might have done my lines a bit too thin, so I do go back in a minute, so you can just watch that. Then, if you're like me and you got a bit excited, I'm just going in with some acetone on a brush and just wiping off the bits that I don't really want there. So then I'm applying some top coat and I'm curing that for 60 seconds. And that is the final design done. If you recreate these, don't forget to tag me at VixRobertsBeauty on Instagram. And if you're new here, hi, I'm Victoria, but everybody calls me Vix. I'd love it if you would subscribe. And don't forget to like and share this video as well if you wouldn't mind doing that. That'd be amazing. You guys are awesome. And I will see you next time.